I started it up yesterday and it fired right up without coughing. Let's see if I can do that today. We still don't have this thing fixed, so don't ask about it. Like I said, our new bus still doesn't run. My dad needs to get a scan tool for it. See if he can find out what's wrong with it. Alright, here we go. Oh, I held the key that time, but it hard started, but it did start. I'll call this a hard start on this thing. I can't believe the horn don't work. Let's get it more aired out. Sweet. Now I'm gonna go check up on the 7.3, see how it's doing. There we go.